Today, let's talk about Ubigi, an eSIM service that claims to simplify mobile connectivity while traveling. But does it really deliver on that promise? Is it worth your time and money? Let's dive in and find out. Ubigi is designed to provide travelers with seamless mobile data connectivity without the hassle of physical SIM cards. You can activate an eSIM directly from your smartphone or tablet, allowing you to stay connected in over 150 countries. The user experience seems straightforward. Download the app, purchase a data plan, and you're set. What's really striking is the range of data packages available, which cater to short trips or longer stays. However, while the setup process is generally user-friendly, some users have reported issues with activation, especially if they're not tech-savvy. Another aspect to consider is the coverage. While Ubigi partners with local networks to provide service, the quality can vary significantly depending on your location. So while the concept is appealing, the execution might not be as smooth as you'd hope, especially in more remote areas. Let's break down some pros and cons. On the plus side, Ubigi offers a flexible and convenient way to access mobile data without needing a physical SIM. The variety of plans can suit different travel needs, which is great. However, there are frustrations. Some users have encountered difficulties during the activation process, and the customer support could be more responsive. Additionally, the data speeds sometimes fall short of expectations, particularly in less populated areas. If you're someone who travels frequently and values convenience, Ubigi could be a solid choice. But if you're heading to remote locations or you need consistent high-speed data, you might want to explore other options. In conclusion, Ubigi offers a convenient eSIM solution for travelers, but it's not without its hiccups. If you're tech-savvy and primarily traveling to urban areas, it's worth a shot. However, those needing robust coverage in remote regions should probably look elsewhere. Overall, it's a mixed bag, but it has potential.